Today we're going to talk about our proprietary spanner tools for our core drill lights. The purpose of these tools is to loosen the lid of the light so you can get inside. Here's a step-by-step process on how to do that. First, remove the plastic sleeve if you haven't already. Next, you're going to want to find a soft surface to set the light down on. I'm using part of the packaging that comes with the light. Set the light face down on the soft surface and grab your tools. On the underside of your tools, you will notice these round notches, which line up with notches in the light and the lid of the light. Place the bigger one on the lid, the smaller one on the light itself. Then, while leaving the lid stationary, twist the light to the left to loosen. To close the light back up, reverse the process and get it as tight as you can. This may take some elbow grease. The same process works with the 5-inch light as it does the 3-inch light. And that's it. If you have any questions, give us a call or check us out at havenlighting.com. Thanks for watching.